Hey guys, this is Mrs. Laterza. We're over here at the Mount Juliet Library. We're going to do the second part now of a series about Mars. Take a look at Mars, compare it to planet Earth. You can see that Mars is only about half the size of planet Earth. In the last session, we were kind of poking fun about some of the early theories about Mars. Well, that's because it was based upon very limited observations. In the last 60 years, the number of observations that we can make about Mars have increased exponentially. That's because of the tremendous advancements that we've been able to make in technology, starting with the Mariner series. There's the very first picture ever taken about Mars from Mariner 4. And then in the rest of the Mariner series, you could see the photographs get better and better. We could see the craters, then we could see the canals. The last one is going to be Mariner 9 in 1971. It's going to show us some really good pictures, but nothing by comparison to 1975 Viking 1 and Viking 2. Look at these pictures over there. They look like they could be across the surface of the United States, okay? Not only that, but they've got these arms that would extend out, do all sorts of soil experiments, increasing tremendously our knowledge of what we think the surface of Mars itself is like. In the 1990s, along comes a new theory, FCB. Now, Viking 1 and Viking 2 cost about $7 billion each. You can't be spending all that much money. FCB means faster, cheaper, better, okay? They came up with the idea of instead of actually landing on the surface, they're going to parachute in. Then when it hits the surface, you see those volleyball type things? They're going to be bouncing all across the surface till finally when it comes to a stop, it's going to open up and you see something that we call the rover. It's going to start to travel all throughout the surface of Mars. It's going to send back amazing pictures about Mars. For example, there is Olympus Mons. It's a huge volcano. It's 2.5 times taller than Mount Everest is over here on planet Earth. It shows us that it has volcanic activity, which means that there's probably plate tectonic activity or hot spots like we have over Hawaii. Has magnetic fields. The atmosphere is iron oxide, fancy word for rust, has rounded sediments because it had water one time across the surface of Mars. Plus, we can see that we've got felsic lava fields that tells us that there was tremendous activity. Not just the United States, but the United States, China, Russia, even India have landed probes across the surface of Mars. And beginning in the first part of the 21st century, we've landed rovers and they've traveled all across the surface of Mars. Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity. Hey, look, that's what Earth looks like seen from the surface of Mars. Wave. Hi, Marvin.